how to install Windows 11 on your PC using a bootable USB drive. Yeah, so if you don't know how to do a bootable Windows 11 USB drive, I will tag a video in the description so that you can go and watch that one and learn how you can do bootable USB Windows drive. So after that, go ahead and insert the USB to your machine, press the power button, and then you press F9 to go to the boot menu. Yeah, so as you can see, this is HP, and the boot menu, the boot key for HP is F9. If you're using Dell, it's F12. Dell, Lenovo, and Asus is F12. Yeah, so bear in mind, mine is HP, so as I pressed F9, and I just go ahead and select my USB drive there, and then I press enter to start the installation. So to bring me to this page where you select your language, for me, I will leave everything as it is, and then I'll go ahead and select next. In some cases, your trackpad won't work. In some of the laptop, maybe Lenovo or something, if it doesn't work, go ahead and use this tab button here to go to next. Yeah, and then you can press enter. But this one is working, so we use the trackpad to select next, and then we will select install now. Okay, the Windows I have is the multiple version type, so I just have to select the version that I want to install. So I want to install the Windows 11 Pro here, so I'll select that one, and then I'll go ahead and press the enter key to select that one. So you can select the one you want. So here you just have to accept the terms and conditions. It's either use the space bar to accept or use the trackpad to accept, and then you can go ahead and click on next. Here is asking whether you want to upgrade, or this is a custom fresh installation, so we select the custom. And then here too, for me, what I prefer doing is just go ahead and delete all the partitions here. Okay, I delete all the partitions available here, and then I go ahead and press next to install. But if you are somebody that you want to partition your drive, maybe divide them into two or something, you can go ahead and click the new button there. Click on new. Okay, yeah, this new here. So the hard drive size is 1 terabyte, which is, we have a free space around 931. So I'm going to type in 50,000, which is around 400 and something gigabytes. So that will give us like almost close equal division, like we have almost divided it into two. Okay, I'll click on apply and click on OK, and allow it to load for some time. As you can see, we have two partitions here. One is 488 and one is 443. That is close to dividing it equally. So yeah, so you can go ahead and select any one of them, and you can click on next to install on one, and then other one can be your data backup or something. But for me, I don't prefer doing that because it's not actually my machine. So what I like doing is I just delete all the partitions, and then I just go ahead and install it on one partition. And if you want to divide, if you want to create a partition later after the Windows is installed, of course it's possible, you can do it. Yeah, so here you allow it to install the Windows. The Windows is almost done, and it's going to restart the PC. Yeah, so let it restart, and it will bring you to this page where you selected your region, your country where you're from. So I'm going to select Ghana here, and then you select your keyboard layout language. So I will leave it at US, and I'll just press escape here. Here to ask you to connect to internet if you want, but we don't want to connect it to internet, so we just click on I don't have internet. And then here we will just continue with the limited setup. We'll click on continue with the limited setup. And here you can name the PC if you want. For me, I'll just name my HP. And then you can add password. I don't want to add password. I'll go to continue. And then here are just privacy stuff. So you can just go to continue next. And then allow it to do it 10. And for some few minutes, your Windows will be ready. Yeah, that's really easy, right? But there's something I really recommend you do when you are done installing Windows, which is updating the drivers. So to update your drivers, go to settings, and under settings you will see Windows Update there. Click on it, and then you will see check for updates. Click on that one. But you have to make sure that your PC is connected to internet when you are doing this. Other than that, you are not going to find any update. So make sure you're connected to internet. And after updating your Windows, you are done. You have successfully installed Windows 11. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.